Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can play a role in fuel efficiency? Today, we're taking a deep dive into just that. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing a plethora of industries, and the automotive industry is no exception. Imagine a world where your car can learn from your driving behavior, anticipate the road ahead, and adjust itself for optimal fuel consumption. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is a reality that AI is making possible. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time enables it to optimize fuel efficiency in ways we've never thought possible before. In this video, we'll look at a real-world example of a system that has successfully harnessed the power of AI for fuel efficiency. We'll delve into the nuts and bolts of how this system works and the significant impact it's made. Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating intersection of AI and fuel efficiency. Volvo, a renowned automobile manufacturer, has successfully implemented AI to boost fuel efficiency in its cars. But what does this AI-integrated system actually entail? Well, it's a sophisticated blend of technology and ingenuity. Volvo's system uses sensors and algorithms to analyze driving patterns, road conditions, and real-time traffic data. This information is then processed by the AI, which optimizes the vehicle's performance to ensure maximum fuel efficiency. Now, you might be wondering, how does this translate to fuel savings? The answer lies in the system's ability to predict and adapt. By analyzing the data, it can anticipate the need for acceleration or braking, optimizing the car's energy usage in the process. It also adjusts the vehicle's settings according to the road conditions, reducing unnecessary fuel consumption. The result? A significant decrease in fuel usage and consequently a lighter burden on your wallet. But don't just take our word for it. Volvo's AI-integrated system has been met with overwhelmingly positive feedback from users. Drivers report that they've noticed a considerable reduction